Hi, now I'm going to go through the rostering system. So if you go to the manage schedule, so you will have this window. Um, so you can filter by location, you can filter by hospital, property wise. At the same time, you can do by daily, weekly, 2 weeks as well. So at the moment, I'm on Balloon Street. So the staff that who normally work in there is here. What you can do is you can add add the staffs into the property by selecting the staff name, or if you want to add the agency that who cover it, so example search, I'm just adding into the property, so you will see that search agency will be here. um, so the creating shift is like you can scroll over, or you can click the add shift. So how the shift patterns works, you can select it Monday to Thursday, Friday, and then every week. Um, and then you can select it is a like 1 to 1, what time, and then do that. At the same time, you can able to create the shifts based on phone call, trainings, team meeting, supervision, so that the relevant pay type will be selected for the staff. So I'm selecting the balloon rate, say core day, 8/8, repeated for Monday. Yeah, then it will be automatically created here. All you have to do is just click it and then just drag and drop. And then if the staff is not going to work it, or some others you have covered, just drag that shift back to there, or you can just drop it back into the unallocated shift. You can modify by right click, say edit, and then you want to say that this shift is particularly from 9 o'clock. What you can do is when you update it, it will ask it whether it's you want to do for all following, because it's a repeated shift that you have created, or only for today, or only this one. So I just say that only today, so then the future shift will not be affected. On here, there's another option, so you can filter it based on the contractual hours or the staff um, you have done it. So you can see that, okay, that person has more hours than allocated. So you have to reassign to somebody else, which you can do it as well. So you can see that Janet have 40 hours contractual hours, but you haven't given any shifts. So you can prioritize that accordingly. There is another feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign one of the 8 to 8 to David, but it says that particular person is working some. So, but there's nothing on this screen. So what you can do is if you click by tick here, so it will show if that particular individual is working somewhere else as well. So you can able to see and then change that rota, or contact the individual that who managed the other property, and then ask whether this person can be work on these services. This is mainly very helpful if you have a multiple services like a supported living on a small area or certain location, so you can ask the help from the other services if you have a struggle to find the cover. Again, there is a copy feature. What you can do is you can copy these shifts for the following month, or you can select manually and say that you want to copy for future weeks, so which you can do it as well. Again, if another one is like if Jane is not going to work in these services, what you can do is you can click minus remove from this property, and then you can remove that one particular individual. So there are some other features there. So these allocation will be automatically linked with the attendance section. When I go through the attendance section, I'll go through quickly. I think what I can do is I can demonstrate on the same video. So what I will do is if you go into the attendance, so I'm going to go through Roy Connect, which is me. Um, so if you go there, so you will see on the yellow marks because you have a pending approval for this particular individual. So you can see where the shifts that I have worked. So Thursday I have done worked in multiple places, and then the whole through the month I have some work somewhere else as well. So if you click on the tabs, you will see where did I work on that particular whole month. What you can do is you can select by week week by week approval. So in case if you manage it week by week, so what you can do is you can approve it week by week as well. So when you go into the payroll, so you can pull the report once it's got approved. So you can go to the payroll and then download the sheet for the X0 or Sage payrolls. At the moment, we have a custom forms for both accounting software for now, but we can obviously customize it if you need to do it for something else as well. Thank you. So I'll go through another video on how the sales and the other sections are working. Thank you.